Yep, it's me again, Margaret. This is Winifred. I think I've introduced Winifred and Jennifer. Jennifer's my deaf albino. She's a sweetie. Oh, today is the first video on a project. And it's something unusual because it's a project that doesn't belong to me. It's what you might call my very first customer vehicle as Junkyard Thunder Hot Rods. I was asked not to necessarily mention the name of the owner, but to refer to them as that asshole guy. Now, I don't mean that in a derogatory way because I like the guy. But, you know, if the shoe fits. Oh, let's introduce you. If you follow me on Facebook, you know I hauled in this 70 F100 long bed. This is the Sport Custom model. This truck spent its life, as far as I know, in Tennessee. She is remarkably solid. Around here, these trucks just don't last. And this one is pretty darn good. Perfect? No, not perfect, but pretty darn good. And if you're a patina guy, it really don't get much better than this. I mean, she's great. Was a factory small block with 3 on the tree. There's some stuff stowed away in here. Got the nice door panels, some Ford Tempo window cranks. They work. I've done it myself. But the goal for this truck, this will not be a Crown Vic swap necessarily. The Crown Vic swap, in my opinion, means you're setting this truck on the frame of a Crown Victoria. We are doing the cross member in the rear end, the engine transmission, and depending on what the owner wants, we may go a little further. That's just up to him. We'll see. He has ideas, I have ideas, and in the middle, our ideas kind of meld really well together. But I want to keep you guys updated on this one. This is the worst rust on the whole truck, on the tailgate. And as he puts it, it's just character. I love it. I also acquired this awesome Holmes wrecker bumper for my wrecker. Isn't that sweet? Man, I love that. That's Christmas in June. First step we do here, which I'm not going to cover a whole lot of, but the first step you do with anything that's been set long as this, you introduce it to the blaster. I like to never got the hood to pop. Not a problem now. We're going to blast everything that can cause a problem. This hood's got to come off. Disassembly on this will start tomorrow. The donor car will be sawed out maybe later in the week. That's kind of the goal as of right now. And I'm hoping by the end of this coming week to have this truck down to a cab on a frame and delivered to the welder. And I'm hoping he can get us in and get this knocked out, his part of it, pretty quick. But first we have to get some parts in. And today I am going to make a parts list on this thing and send it to Mr. Asshole. If any of you would care to take a guess as to who Mr. Asshole is, please feel free to put it in the comments down below. Because I think he finds this quite humorous. And, well, that's just the kind of guy he is. Yes, my place looks like crap, but y'all see the inside of my house. It looks good. All right. That's it. Junkyard Thunder out.